In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. This profound statement from Genesis sets the stage for our duty to protect and cherish the world we live in. This verse from Genesis reminds us of our responsibility to care for our planet. It's a call to action, urging us to be stewards of the environment. The zero waste movement helps us honor this by reducing waste, starting in our kitchens. Simple changes like using reusable containers and composting can make a big difference. Adopting a zero-waste lifestyle is about progress, not perfection. Every effort counts, and each step forward is a victory for the planet. Each small change can inspire others to take action. Sharing tips and ideas within our communities can create a ripple effect of positive change. Zero waste means sending nothing to the landfill by rethinking our habits. It's about making mindful choices every day. By making conscious choices, we can significantly reduce our environmental footprint. Together, we can create a sustainable future for generations to come. Be the change you wish to see in the world. The journey to a zero-waste kitchen begins with small, intentional steps. It encourages healthier eating habits and financial savings. Engaging with like-minded individuals provides motivation and valuable tips. Community can be found in zero-waste groups, social media, or among friends. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Each step contributes to reducing waste. Celebrate successes and view challenges as growth opportunities. With determination, a zero-waste kitchen is within reach. Zero waste is not just about recycling more. It's a comprehensive approach to living sustainably. It's about reevaluating our relationship with consumption and waste. This means being mindful of what we bring into our homes. By asking, "Do I really need this?" we make sustainable choices. This simple question can lead to significant changes in our daily habits. A zero-waste kitchen prioritizes reduction, reuse, and recycling. It's about creating a system that minimizes waste at every step. Education empowers us to make informed decisions. Learning about zero waste can be both enlightening and motivating. This can be achieved through books, workshops, or following zero-waste advocates. These resources provide valuable insights and practical tips. Zero waste contributes to larger societal changes by reducing pollution and conserving resources. It's a collective effort that starts at home. Understanding the why behind zero waste motivates us to change our habits. It's about making a positive impact on our planet for future generations. Section 4. Composting, turning scraps into gold. Composting transforms kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil, perfect for gardening. It reduces organic waste in landfills, significantly cutting methane emissions. Starting a compost bin at home is simple and requires minimal space and effort. For urban areas, community composting programs offer great alternatives to individual bins. Composting enriches the soil, promoting healthier and more robust plant growth. Incorporating this practice fosters a deeper connection with the natural world around us. Section 5. Reusable storage solutions. Embrace the change. Get ready to save the planet, one jar at a time. Transitioning to reusable storage options reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Plus, it gives you an excuse to buy more cute jars. Glass jars, stainless steel containers, and cloth bags are eco-friendly and durable. And they make your kitchen look like a Pinterest board. Glass jars are perfect for storing bulk items. Just don't drop them, or you'll have a glassy mess. Stainless steel containers are excellent for leftovers. And they make you feel like a pro chef. Cloth bags are ideal for grocery shopping and storing produce. Plus, they make you look super eco-chic at the market. Many stores offer bulk sections to reduce packaging waste. It's like a treasure hunt for foodies. Reusable options eliminate single-use plastics, contributing to a healthier planet. And you'll feel like an eco-warrior every time you use them. Section 6. Reducing food waste. Smart strategies for every home. Reducing food waste begins with mindful meal planning. Proper food storage extends produce shelf life, preventing spoilage. Embrace the concept of use it up to reduce waste and encourage creativity. Share excess food with friends, family, or local food banks. These strategies make reducing food waste achievable. A zero-waste kitchen brings us closer to sustainability. Together, we can make a difference. Section 7. Conclusion. Start small and stay motivated. Embarking on a zero-waste journey may seem overwhelming, but start small. Begin with simple steps like sorting recyclables or using reusable bags. Focus on one area, like composting or reusable storage, and build from there. Gradually incorporate more zero-waste practices into your daily routine. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and reflecting on changes. Celebrate small victories and milestones to keep the momentum going. Join online communities or local groups for support and inspiration. Sharing experiences and tips can make the journey more enjoyable and less daunting. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Every small step counts and contributes to a larger impact. Transforming your kitchen into a zero-waste haven makes a stand for sustainability. It showcases your commitment to a healthier planet. With dedication, a zero-waste lifestyle benefits both the planet and future generations. Your efforts today pave the way for a sustainable tomorrow.